Sometimes you feel like studying is a total brain drain, right? Textbooks multiplying like tribbles, your mind wandering like a lost puppy, and that voice whispers, "Can I even pass this?" We hear you loud and clear. Maybe your phone's blowing up with alerts like a social media bomb, the fridge is calling your name with endless snack attacks, or your roommate's blasting music feels like torture. Maybe you just don't feel genius material, a feeling that hits us all like a pop quiz. But wait a minute, my friend. Here's the good news, you can significantly reduce distractions while studying. This video will show you exactly how. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to silencing those doubts in your head and acing your classes. First things first, let's tame that phone. It's like a double-edged sword. A friend with info and a foe with endless distractions. We get it. But guess what? Website blockers are your new BFFs. These apps are like magic shields, blocking distracting websites and social media. Next, silence those notification gremlins. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb mode. Imagine it chilling in a Zen garden, finding inner peace. Now you can find yours, focusing on the knowledge you're about to conquer. But what about the urge to constantly check it? Here's a challenge. Phone jail. Put it away for focused study sessions, say 25 minutes. Then, reward yourself with a quick check. That dopamine hit will feel amazing after crushing a focused study period. Crush multitasking and become a productivity machine. Let's ditch the multitasking myth. Juggling tasks actually hurts your brain. Here's a technique that can help. Work in focused 25-minute sprints, followed by short breaks. Think of it like training for a marathon, but in bite-sized chunks that won't leave you fried. After each sprint, reward yourself with a quick break. Grab a brain-boosting snack, stretch, do jumping jacks, anything to refresh your mind. After 4 sprints, take a longer break. Trust us, this technique will turn you into a productivity machine. Next, create your study sanctuary and unleash your potential. Now, let's create your battleground, your study sanctuary. Clear your desk of anything distracting, like a total boss. Textbooks, notes, water bottles, that's it. Think of it as your brain fuel station. Lighting matters too. Find natural light if you can. If not, a bright lamp will keep your eyes happy. Finally, find a quiet spot to focus. Talk to your roommate, explain you're on a study mission, maybe offer to trade and help them out later. You see? You have the power to control your environment, silence the doubts, and conquer your studies. Don't let fear or distractions hold you back. You are a total rock star, capable of incredible things. Now go out there and unleash your inner study beast.